If you love the holidays but hate waste, stay with us for sustainable tips. This year, let's embrace sustainability like never before during the holidays. We present to you 17 days of simple yet effective practices for eco-friendly and joyful celebrations. First, support local businesses. It's a great way to boost your community and reduce your carbon footprint. Next, consider donating to food banks. Share the holiday spirit by helping those in need. Save water and energy by being mindful of your consumption. Small changes can make a big difference. And don't forget to reduce waste. Use reusable gift wrap and avoid single-use plastics. These are just a few ideas to get you started. Let's continue these sustainable practices beyond the holidays and work together for a better future. So, are you ready to take on the challenge? Let's make this holiday season bright and green. Until next time, and happy sustainable holidays. Here are 17 ideas for a sustainable holiday season. 1. Make your own holiday decorations from natural or recycled materials. It's a fun activity for the whole family and reduces waste. Prepare your holiday meals with local and seasonal ingredients. This supports local farmers and reduces the carbon footprint of your meals. Bring your own reusable bags when shopping. Avoid single-use plastics as much as possible. For gifts, opt for reusable wrapping like fabric or newspapers. Create your own holiday cards from recycled paper. Spend quality time with loved ones playing board games or doing activities together. Sometimes, the simplest moments are the most memorable. Plant a tree to celebrate the holidays. It's a gift to the planet and a symbol of growth and renewal. Consider donating to a cause you care about. Volunteering is a great way to give back to the community. Reduce your carbon footprint by using sustainable transportation like biking or walking. Carpooling is also a good option to reduce emissions. Use smart devices to save energy at home. Consider renewable energy sources like solar power for your home. Recycle your electronics to reduce e-waste. Composting is a great way to reduce food waste and nourish your garden. Collect rainwater to water your plants and save water. Use reusable cups for your hot drinks and avoid disposable ones. Make homemade treats with sustainable ingredients for your holidays. Share these treats with your neighbors to spread holiday cheer. Use LED lights for your holiday decorations to save energy. Don't forget to turn off your holiday lights before bed to save even more. Make a holiday donation to a local organization to support your community. Take a moment to reflect on the past year and your sustainability goals for the coming year. Set sustainable goals for the new year and commit to achieving them. Together, we can make this holiday season a time of joy and sustainability. Until next time, and happy sustainable holidays.